I just realised I wasn't filming that whole fucking time either. Alright guys, so we're back today. The RAV is looking good, boys. So the bull bar's looking good, it's sitting. It is a little bit loose at the moment, so we're going to have to tighten some bolts up. They're just really hard to get to. So a few other little things we're going to get done today, just to make the car kind of wrap itself together with these new, the bull bar and the wheels that we've put on. But it's looking good, I'm really liking the progress. Not a massive video today. We do have some parts waiting to come get delivered, which will make this car a lot better, but we have to wait for those to get in. Alright, so let's get into it. It's actually nuts how much like a little 10-minute job can change the look of the car so much. Like, I don't know, this looks better. I know I've got to paint those off, but at the moment I don't have anything to paint it with. Like, I only have Raptor coating, so don't want to do that on there. But that's something we'll do later. But as well, the front though, like, I don't know, it just made it look so much better without just that white little gap there, you know. So it looks good, but today, what I've got here, we've got a nice little package from Ocam that we're gonna be installing today. Nothing too crazy. Open that package right now and see what it is. Alrighty, so what we've got here is the bonnet protector and window rain protectors or wind protectors or whatever the fuck they're called. I don't know. I really like these. I think they look really good on some cars. The bonnet protector, I don't know, but we'll give it a test and put it on and we'll see how it looks. So I've got the tinted one. Shout out to Ocam though, because they're the only ones that have a good one for the RAV at a decent price. So shout out to them, and it came super quick too. So hopefully they fit alright. Hopefully it's a quick, easy install, because I have to leave here in 45 minutes. And we're going to go to a car meet. No, the RAV is not going to be in the car meet, but I'm going to go check out some cars and see what's out there in the Brisbane scene. So we're going to go do that straight after we get these on. And let's get into it, eh? Hi Zach, welcome to Zach Doesn't Fucking Run the Camera. Now I don't know what I filmed and what I didn't film. What is this? Alright, we'll scrap that bit. How long do we have to leave? We have half an hour to go to leave. We should be able to do it in half an hour. And we also have to fix this because great. Great. Fucking good. I don't know, something small again. Small things. Small things just make it look just a little bit nicer. I wonder if they make a back one to kind of continue it at the back. That would be nice. Alright, let's get the other side done. That looks fucking good, boys. That looks good. I'm actually stoked by that. I don't know, like I said, a bunch of little things today. Nothing crazy, but just giving that got a bit more of a nicer look on the front with that black bull bar on the sides and the wheels. Just looking prettier, looking nicer. I'm really bummed I couldn't get that front one on, but honestly just don't know how it works, how it bolts on. But we're gonna go to the car show now and get some nice shots of some pretty cars. Alright, so I had nothing planned for the rest of this episode. I had nothing else that I could put on the car or do. And obviously the episode is pretty short. So as you do as a 25-year-old single male on a Saturday night, I was frantically looking through Facebook Marketplace for hours, trying to find something to do. And through hours and hours of looking, trying to figure out what I could do, the Facebook Marketplace gods rained down on me with a beautiful deal. Probably one of the best of the series, I think. It's going to be pretty unbeatable. So let's have a look at what that is, boys. Oh, we got a rooftop tent, baby. So picked this up late last night. Picked it up for $100. So I haven't even looked at it. Hasn't been opened. I have no idea what brand it is or anything like that. But so last night, it was late last night. Put it on the roof, strapped it down, came straight home. Haven't looked at it. So today we're going to be opening it up. I think honestly we're just going to mount it and then open it up because that's the more reasonable thing to do. I'm pretty stoked. I have no idea what brand it is. It could have holes in it, I'm not sure. I literally have not opened it. We're going to go camping next week and test it out, so yeah, I'm pretty stoked. Let's get it on, boys.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. Lazy gone a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
Mate, I'll tell you what, this thing here is way heavier than the rooftop. Now we're going to take this off, the awning, mount it onto the actual roof rack. That's the next step.
When it rains, it pours. Water's up to my chin. Won't stop fighting to the very end.
Alright, first bit's on. Yeah, for the hard bit. Hopefully fucking works. I also don't know what side it opens, so we're gonna have to figure that out too. But I don't know.
Hope they won't shoot me down They say no to sleepless Will you find me? Hope you find me.
I did it the wrong way. She's looking good. Now there's a few issues that we had with it. The mounting of it was sucked because my roof racks don't come out enough. So we had to mount to the end bits here and here, which are really difficult to kind of grab onto. So it's not actually centered. And on the back here, we're missing the two things that come into here, like these two mounting blocks. Come on, come on. There's your two mounting blocks that go into the grooves here we're missing, so this back one's not done yet, but I'll do that off camera and I will fix that up. But it does come up a little bit, so we're gonna be a little bit careful, but I will fix that off camera because whatever. But yeah, let's have a look inside, eh? It's pretty fucking spacious, to be honest with you. So it's all good. I'm actually stoked with it, eh? Oh my goodness. I am pretty stoked with this. It is pretty good. It's spacious as, it's pretty hot at the moment, but it should be right. The windows do open up, but there is, I don't know if, I'll probably pop a photo up here of a rooftop tent. It's got poles that like stick the windows out. We are missing that, but I have sourced them. They're $70, or no, they're $60, which is funny because it's over half what the whole tent costs. So I'm gonna have to order some of those because I need some airflow in here. But it is spacious as, and I'm very, very happy with this purchase. Alright, so on that note, we're gonna finish up here. Rooftop tent, I think it's a massive success. Taking it out this weekend to go give it a test. So you get to see some footage of that in the next episode. But nah, I'm pretty stoked with it. I'll let you guys know how it goes. But yeah, thanks for watching, boys, and we'll see you next week. Yo!